Garden Scrolls featured plant for today is the Calibrachoa or mini petunia. And this little pot makes it look like I can do this wonderfully. I see these in people's yards occasionally, and of course up under the roof part of the nurseries, and they're always so gorgeous. This is the only one I ever got to fill out. Looked beautiful most of the season, and then it didn't even totally die out that year. But I am still in the process of trying to get more of them in the garden and to keep them all season long. They do not like the hot weather, and they do need some pampering through it. A pot that will drain well and deep enough to hold moisture.